Whether you're under the weather or you simply enjoy soup all year round, this recipe is for you. I'm showing you how to create a delicious Sudanese style soup, bursting with flavors from simple ingredients. Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. To my new viewers, welcome to my channel. On this channel, we keep cooking simple, flavorful, and stress-free. To make this soup, I add the chicken, seasoning, aromatics, oil and spices into a large pot, top the ingredients with water and mix to combine. All these ingredients and quantities can be found in the description box. I bring the pot to a rapid boil, then reduce the heat to medium and cook this for 15 minutes. I now add the carrots and potatoes. Feel free to add any other root vegetable of your choice. For reference purposes, I'm using 3 large potatoes and 2 small carrots. Once this boils, I reduce the heat and let it simmer on low for 15 to 20 minutes or until the vegetables are cooked. The vegetables are now cooked to my liking, so I adjust salt to taste and allow a minute for it to blend in. Our soup is now ready to serve. I had mine just as it is, while my family had a choice of eating it with either rice or bread rolls. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and consider subscribing for simple recipes. This is it from me today. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.